and gentlemen, in interest to see my original invention, the water torture cell, although there is nothing supernatural about it.
So I say to you, I am not you, and yet an apparition of shattered means, careening on the razor's edge, palpable, resolved in this cavernous void. How often I forget your wisdom, courage, zest for information. How often I fail to acquiesce, integrate yours into mine, a life less lost, morbid curiosities, succumbing mortal terror, looping, paralyzing thought. I am nothing, a helpless ant, celestial rock, aching back, endless hills, careless struggle. O fallacious beauty, hidden beyond the revolving horizon, why have you forgotten me, or have I neglected you? Wrapped in a daily torment and forgotten compassion, wandering tragically amongst their mechanism, filling this affable role to not impede operation. Could it be so masterful? Conformity, the longing, devoid of brain activity? Could you exist in, a creature of this world, with valor, amusement, reticence, and hope? In this most basic form, I am not you. I do not belong here. I do not live here. I remain here, divergent from standards, willing myself each day amongst the living, in this vacuous shell, anomalous, galactic child, abandoned beside this callous world. Why did you not tell me? Aggression can be halted, aggression achieved by nefarious tactics, with minimal effort. You were curious, tactical, contemplative, gentle, unaffected by hatred, ignorance, division, grown from depression, aged through technology, and stood proudly through these times of hardship and glory. I'm not you, but can hope others will be, to cherish knowledge above all and apply it in a peaceful manner.